This is a HMV Stereomaster. I got this for free with a load of other record players not so long ago, and as you can see it's in a really bad condition cabinet wise, although I think it could probably be sanded out. These suffer with those rotten speaker foam, which I can show you what the speakers were like in this. You can see that the foam is almost basically gone, and even these little tweeters have got such a hell of a lot of corrosion on them that when you sort of press them in, you could hear the coil rubbing on the magnet inside, so completely shot. I got some replacement speakers for it, some full range drivers to go in. You can probably just about see them there. I haven't got any tweeters fitted yet. I'm not sure if I'm gonna what sort of tweeter drivers I'm gonna put in it yet. At the moment, it's where the tweeter is, it's acting like a bit of a bass port. The original speakers, these are sealed enclosures, and the original speakers needed to have the enclosure completely sealed, but this will work without the tweeters fitted, or the hole bunged up, just so I could test it. None of the pilot lamps work at all. I changed a few of the capacitors to actually get it to work, and I've lubricated the record deck, BSR deck. There is a few problems with the deck, mainly the fact that the center spindle will actually turn when it shouldn't do. This thing in here should be sort of that position somewhere there, and it does actually spin. And as you can see, this is really rusty and corroded. The whole thing had been left in a damp shed somewhere. I wasn't expecting it to work at all, but it did, and it sounds okay. It doesn't sound too bad. It came with its little single play center spindle as well. The volume legend is completely worn away, and as you can see, it's worn away here a bit, and it's definitely worn away here at the end.
The Chinese government being saddled with a huge amount of debt.
You've got 4 preset FM stations.
Wind Jobber, that's from Helen. So there we go. There's your wind
There are thousands of robots.
Is it annoying?
It is super annoying. The amount of times people go, Alexa, can you tell me?
Got advantage on Chinese territory, but the Chinese would not have the same advantage if they went to Paris.
As I said, this stacking spindle, everything does work. It's just that it spins in its thing, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do about that yet. And the center spindle wants rubbing down, so it's... but it will go through the stack.
Time will make the flowers grow. Time will melt the icy snow. Time can make the forest from a drop of dew. But to make me forget your love, yes, to make me forget your love is gonna take much.
It even had a good stylus in it. yes, the record deck will work. It says it still needs work doing to it. This is not smooth, so the records don't drop down quick enough. So that will need addressing, but yes, it works. I won't be keeping this. I'll offer this up for sale on eBay or something. Somebody can. It's a reasonably good record player and radio, so I'm sure somebody would want to rub it down and make some good use of it. The stand is there for it. The legs that go on the side here. It's a coffee table height. I forget what the model number is. The model number is written on the back. No. Oh, there we are. It's a 2419. One of the sort of better ones. I think they made different sort of versions of these, but yes, I just thought I'd get it working, and then either I'll rub it down and put a bit of polish on it or something, or let the new owner do it. But the chassis has got to come out. It's got to have these two pilot lights replaced. There's about 4 capacitors inside that still need to be changed to make it reliable. As I said, the record deck works, but that will need to be wire wooled or polished up or something. And I'll need to figure out how I'm going to stop that center bearing collar thing from rotating, so when you put the center spindle in, you're not going to accidentally move the center spindle grip bit out of the way, because otherwise if you move it, the center spindle just won't work if it's misaligned. So yes, hopefully in another video it'll be looking a little bit healthier, but yes, it seems to be working okay at the moment, so it's quite promising. Once I've done a bit more electrical work in it, it'll be a bit more reliable, ready for somebody else to enjoy it perhaps.